Lust is one of the strongest forces inside a man. It can distract you, drain you, control your decisions, or it can become the fuel that builds your life. Most men are taught to either chase lust or feel ashamed of it. But both approaches miss the truth. Lust isn't the problem. The problem is wasting the energy behind it, because the same force that pushes a man toward pleasure is the same force that can push him toward success, discipline, and power. If you learn to control it instead of being controlled by it, it can change your entire life. Here are 4 ways to use lust the right way. 1. Stop seeing lust as the enemy. Desire is part of your biology. It's the same force that has pushed men for thousands of years to build kingdoms, create inventions, compete, and achieve greatness. Lust is simply a form of raw life energy. The problem isn't the desire itself. The problem is when a man has no control over it. When lust controls you, you become reactive. You chase distractions. You waste time. You make weak decisions in moments of impulse. But when you take control of that same energy, something powerful happens. Instead of being scattered, your energy becomes focused. That intensity turns into ambition, into discipline, into drive. The goal isn't suppression. The real goal is direction. 2. Turn desire into discipline. Every time you feel a strong urge, you're feeling raw energy. Most men release it immediately. Scrolling, watching things that drain their focus, chasing temporary pleasure. But imagine doing something different. When that energy appears, move it somewhere productive. Train harder. Work on your goals, build your skills. The same intensity you feel in desire can be turned into focus. In the book, The Way of the Superior Man, David Dita explains that a man's powerful desires can either distract him or drive him toward purpose. When a man has no direction, desire pulls him toward short-term pleasure. But when a man has a clear path, that same energy pushes him toward growth, discipline, and achievement. 3. Control your environment. Your environment shapes your impulses. If your day is filled with constant stimulation, your mind stays trapped in craving, endless scrolling, constant temptation, noise everywhere. A man who wants control must control his surroundings. Reduce unnecessary triggers. Spend more time building, learning, and training. The fewer distractions you allow, the easier it becomes to master your impulses. Self-control is easier in the right environment. 4. Live with purpose, not impulse. Here's the truth. A man without purpose will always be controlled by desire. But a man with a mission, he has direction. When your life is built around something meaningful, a goal, a craft, a future you're working toward, your urges lose their power over you. They become background noise. Because your focus is somewhere higher. Purpose organizes your energy, and when your energy is organized, your life begins to move forward. Lust isn't a weakness, it's energy. Energy that can either control you or build you. The men who waste it stay distracted. The men who master it become disciplined, focused, and dangerous. Learn to direct your energy. If this message helped you see things differently, subscribe. This channel is for people who want discipline, clarity, and real self-improvement. Until next time.